Here's the moon, the blood moon, October 8th, 2014, and it's fully covered now, and it's amazing. I think God set this up all ahead of time, all in His perfect order. The signs in the heavens. It's pretty orangey, pretty red. If we had a little less light, it might be even more visible. But it'll go down behind the trees in a little bit. But I think you gotta be in a dark yard at this point, which I'm fortunate to have one. Thank you, Lord. Well, we'll see what this has in store for us, but it is a sign. Goodbye, moon.